Welcome to the product explainer video of problem management in HCL SX. This is the consumer homepage of HCL SX. As a fulfiller, in order to work on problem tickets, use the left navigation menu and browse to work item board. To create a new problem ticket, under Problems section, click on the plus button. Fill in all the required details in the ticket and assign it to a problem management group. You can also choose to assign the ticket to an available problem manager by clicking on Action followed by saving the ticket. Since the source of this ticket is selected as an unresolved incident, navigate to Related Work Items section and link the appropriate incident ticket. Change the status of the ticket by clicking on Submit for review, and it will move to Under Review. As the problem manager, click on Qualify as Problem to accept that this is indeed a valid problem ticket. Next, you can form a problem investigation team for this ticket. Add members to the team and assign a problem investigation team lead. Click on Tasks button if you feel the need to create an ad hoc task for any action. Next, fill in the root cause details by first recording your problem findings via an analysis technique such as 5 whys. The idea is to provide all the answers until you reach the root cause. Once the drill down is complete, specify the root cause and workaround provided to temporarily bypass the issue. To automatically create a known error record until the permanent fix is applied, ensure that you are logged into the Knowledge portal. This way you can choose a category and subcategory to save the known error for use by others. Move the ticket to Root Cause Identified status, and click on Corrective Action with RFC if a change ticket is needed to apply a permanent fix. You may click on Propose Change option to automatically create a new change, or navigate to the Related Work Items section and relate an existing change. You may use the SLA button to check the service levels being measured against this problem ticket. Once the related change is completed, change the status of the ticket by clicking on Close Problem and providing the appropriate closure reason and comments. Upon closing the problem ticket, the related known error or knowledge record will retire automatically. You may always choose to redirect and view the same. You can also download the automatically generated problem investigation report at the click of a button. We have seen the life cycle of a problem ticket. Let us next try creating a problem ticket directly from an incident. Click on the high priority incident from the work item board and use the Edit button to view its details. You may use the Propose Problem option and directly provide details to instantly create a problem ticket. Alternatively, while providing a fix for the incident, you also have an option to directly create a new problem record. Once done, you can navigate to Related Work Items section and view the problem tickets you just created. This brings us to the end of this explainer video. Stay tuned for more videos on HCL SX. Thank you.